Hi, this is Mona for ThermOWeb. In this video tutorial I will play with the Rina K Designs Electro-Pop release. I am going to use various products like the Blanco Deco transfer gel, Neon Flock and Neon Inkpads as well. I started the card making with stamping and die cutting. I stamped the solid images with Electro-Pop Neon Inkpad. I wanted to create a darker yellow neon lemon, so I am mixing the Hello Yellow and Orange Glow Inkpads with second generation stamping. I am using the Sending Sunshine and Sweet Stuff stamp sets by Rina K Designs with my Misty. When it was done, I ran them through my die cut machine with the coordinating dies. If you don't have this set already, I highly recommend it. You can create tons of projects with it. For more inspiration, check the description box below. For the leaves, I have used the Screaming Green Inkpad and I stamped the flower with Potent Purple Electro-Pop Inkpad. Now I continue with ink blending. I wanted to create a beachy feeling on this card, so I am going to use Blueprint Sketch, Salty Ocean and Tumbled Glass. Before the ink blending, I am adhering purple tape, starting with the Blueprint Sketch again and blending it together with Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide inks. I continued the ink blending with Frayed Burlap Distress Oxide inks through the Bayou Stencil set by Lanfan. This contains 2 stencils, and with the second one I will create my own Bayou leaves with Blanco Deco transfer gel and Flock transfer sheets. I applied the Blanco Deco transfer gel through the Bayou stencil with Stencil Pen. I repeated the process on my stamped images as well through their coordinating stencils. I love this Blanco transfer gel. I think this is the whitest white paste I have ever tried, and the best is that it's shiny after it's dry. Once it was done, I let the images and the card front dry for 1 hour. During this, I am going to create the sentiment. I stamped this cute table from the Open Me Lanfan stamp set and colored with my Copic markers. Next, I stamped on it the You Are So Sweet sentiment from the Sweet Stuff stamp set by Rina K Designs with watermark ink and heat embossed it with white embossing powder. Now it's time to create the sandy beach. I just picked a cardstock from my stash and ran it through my die cut machine with the hillside border dies from Lanfan. Then I am checking how tall the sand should be, placing on it the stitch rectangle dies and sandy accents by Lanfan and run them together through my die cut machine. In the end, I splattered on it with white and brown watercolor and let it dry. Now it's time to use the Flock transfer sheets. I warmed up my laminator and cut the Flock transfer sheets to the wished size. Next, I run it through my laminator between parchment paper. This is always my favorite part, yay! So cool for touch, and this green color really pops out from the blue background. I love the Flock transfer sheets because of this velvety look. What about you? I started to put my card together. I decided to add sunglasses to the lemon from this cute sticker set by Pebbles. Now it has personality and looks so sweet. I have made a second card too, but with pineapple. I hope you have enjoyed my project for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in a comment. As always, you can find the used supplies below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have an amazing day. Bye.